On this short video, we're showing you how to install your own add-ons, add it to your build, add subsections to the build as well. We're going to use the Artic Zephyr skin, which is used by the Nefarious Swift, and also the One Alliance Artic build. First thing you need to do is come on, just like every other skin. Let's go to System. The Artic Zephyr is not usually for touch or laptop computers, but I've created a mouse so you can actually do it on here. So you just go to File Manager, click on Add Source, double click it, and for here we're using the Kodi add-ons chart, and we're going to use Trident, so just click on that, and here's the URL address which we use to install the repo. I'm going to type that in. So just click on that. Let's repo.trident.fun. Once you make sure we type exactly, just click Done. You need to give it a name, but you can call it exactly what you like, but obviously make it easy, we're going to call it Trident. Click Done again. Click OK. Come back out. Click on System, Add-ons, Install from zip. Trident, I'm going to click on that, and obviously it's a repo, so we'll click on that. Just wait here. It's a notification, as you see, Team Trident repo is installed. So now we can click on from repo, find Trident repo. It's a video add-on. That's the one there. Click on Install. Come back out what's been done. Right, that's the add-on installed. Now we need to put into submenus. So once again, click on System, Interface at the top. Click on that. Highlight Skin, go across to the right. Click on Configure Skin. And the Home's highlighted. Click on Customize Home Menu. Scroll down to Movies. The buttons here. That's first one is delete. We don't want to use that. Second one along, which is a plus. Click on that. So movies, you click on movies, highlight movies, click on submenu. You can put alphabetical if you want, but I'm just going to put it next to that, so it'll be alphabetical. There's a delete, we don't want that one, go along to the next one, which is add. There it is. Now I need to put the add-on into it, so it's action, add-on, video add-on, Trident, of course it's movie section, so we click on movies, create a monitor here. Now you need to give it a name, so it's set label. Once it's highlighted, click on it, call it Trident. When you're done, come back out. Go along to movies, and we should have Trident in there. Click on it. It takes a Trident add-on, and you can do that with movies. Obviously, you want to do it with the TV section. You can do it for sports with the sports section. This one's got music as well, so we could put it in the music. So that's just the same thing. Go along to System, Interface, Configure Skin, Customize Home Menu. This time it's just TV shows. You just click on submenu. You want to click on Add, and once again putting your add-on in and giving it a name. And that's it. Thanks so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.